To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Daddy's good. One day at a time. My baby girl, I apologize for the way I feel inside. God knows you're always on my mind. Sometimes I feel I'm going crazy, but when I think of you, I see your smile. Am I the only one to light a cigarette? Am I the only one to take a drink? Am I the only one to hurt this way? Yes, I'll take it, I'll take it. They say what doesn't heal you only makes you stronger. Stronger.
Miss, what you do?
You see, I cook me a cook.
I saw somebody cook.
Me not start cook yet.
I don't say carrot for cut up.
How I cut up?
Go on, me see.
Every time my mother gone, you reach over here. Me no know.
Why not cut off your big finger so you cut off? I say you cut off your sweet pepper top.
You come over here for to watch me.
Your mother asked me if you come over here if you guide you, and that me I do.
Me no need no guidance.
What do you mean I need no guidance? You forgot to me your auntie? Mine know ya.
You forgot say me no like you. You just coming at me as a ding dang, ding dang, ding dang, ding dang, ding dang, ding dang. No sir. To you attack you.
Man, you cut your hand. Feel last time. No, sir. Your mother not teach you if you do nothing.
See, I'll make me a dash away something there. Yeah, and me can't concentrate. Come on.
So you cut up meat? What kind of meat you look for?
Remember, say enough away. And your little sister cheap, so me have to cut it up fine.
At first me say this is not history. You have to go and better your young girl.
You want to
go
do
for
it?
these things, no?
Okay, then shut your mouth.
You forget to me your auntie?
You forgot some in a business.
Okay, miss. Make sure so when I cut off your finger and I'm here, you go to the hospital. So I'm not even go far for you. And if I'm like you, you cut up the chicken them more smaller.
Do it. See that? Do it.
Sister, yeah, me do as I say, me come over your yard. But the thing is, me see her cut up meat, you know, and me did a carry and so forth. But your daughter not no manners. I saw you grow your pitney, me sure know to God say. When mommy grow if you have manners to the elderly. Me I talk to your daughter looking at me and tell me say she don't like me, you know. Yeah, I'll tell me if you shut up. Girl, me not run no joke. I serious something I tell about. Me should have record her, you know, and send it to you for make your daughter hear how she talk to me. Me as her auntie a carry car and she a go on like her worst thing me I do. Hello, hurry up and come because I want to go back on my yard. Aye. Later.
Make sure your food ready and you sit down out there so. What for me share? Why you just sit down so food me come back? More food, me hungry.
Me no cook.
I lie.
Me no cook. Cause like a bad man auntie when me have come and come tell me how to cook and what to do. So me left it pack gear. Me didn't even know if she finish it.
Hey! What is
Just try
this?
to sit down and wait till my mother come.
So I saw me go come to your yard hungry, I go back to my yard hungry.
Then me no hungry too.
Are you no one yam? Me hungry, me come for food, you can't tell me this am I.
That's if you learn to cook, my friend.
Girl, cooking enough for me. All if me learn, me still not gonna do it. Cause me just not like
Me sick. And you still want me cook.
because are you me name from me and them for your people them coming not like them and they not like me, I know what they poison me.
Well, the little bad man auntie when me have done there, as my sister take out a she that done na me yes. I don't see a cut up carrot, I don't see a cut up this. And man could left me for so me just left it. Me can't work with people over me. So me left it on gear. Hopefully she do it. Cause me dey
But all
hungry
if she
too
do it,
soon
me not
done.
gonna name from her. Are
Me
you
a
me
go name
eat from
from
her,
her.
you know that?
Me
Are
a
your
go name-
aunties you have a name from her?
She bad mind.
That's why you're not a name from her, you poison your clot.
Me nah no choice.
Oh, so you rather take your poison?
Me no teach her about my mother.
Oh, so you're gonna name out your mother plate?
Yeah. You know
Oh,
you're fool. You know you're fool.
anyways, girl. I call me not get no food. Me have mix up to tell you. You don't know what I say. Me find one man. Yeah, girl.
You ever find man? What man I do for you?
Me find one ballin man and he rich in your money. Me just wait upon him to spend for me. Me just like go give him what he wants. And call come if he get.
Me love how you just imagine things. Me love your imagination.
Yeah, girl, me have to imagine, you know. Me sitting on a veranda with my ballin man right in front of me. And as me say, zoops, me get what I want.
You have veranda for your house?
No, that's why they don't use me imagine. So me
You
have to
have
imagine.
a good imagination. But guess what now? The imagination did not come true. It's like you want to build the man where you want.
No worry if me build him. No worry, still me soon find what I want.
The box they get down the road no cool you.
Girl, the man said he did that drop and he can just drop it on my face. Boom.
Hello? No do that. Can me drop for me and drop in your head.
No, because me take a back
So.
from the man you want to connect me in my fire now, you know who you
You have to
are.
tell us the top be your maid.
Girl,
You want to imagine man
Wait,
to
no.
give you money, but you not imagine yourself and use the money buy food.
you know, girl, you have to be a yamate to one man. You can't be a yamate for all 50 man.
But you not be a maid for none cause you want to be a maid for man and you still beg me food.
Girl, you have to beg sometime.
No, that no look good.
You look good for me.
You know look good cause imagine.
So if you not have something, you not come beg me.
Imagine the man who did be a maid for last year tell you say you not buy you no pad if you go use toilet tissue bung it up.
You still remember that?
Yes, me still remember.
You still remember that?
Remember everything.
Jesus. What kind of friend this me go pick up, Father God?
Every day you come to me yard, they want food.
You know what? I'm a terrified. I'm going to come in your yard, you know, because Mr. say, because I come in your yard, come and come beg you, you feel like you have all powers over me.
I do.
Come in your yard.
I do.
Me, I got tap come in your yard. Have a lovely life. Me can about my business. We must find one man to spend for my body. Don't worry yourself.
Make sure you put food in
I
your
shall
belly.
find him. Don't worry yourself. Oh, I say you go beg me in the long run.
Me
Don't
not
worry
think so.
yourself. Me can about my business.
You shape bad like a.
But me shape bad. The man them love
Yeah,
it.
you want food.
What go on, my sister?
There. What happened?
What's that? Why you look so? You done cook?
Don't cook. Don't cook what? Me not call you and tell her how your daughter behave in her house and something. You never did that hear me as up on the phone.
No, you know, so really and truly, me the inner wall little traffic. You know, so me need to hear nothing what you say. So, what you mean by she be a thing she go on with?
Me say, me come over here, me see your daughter clean up the chicken. So when me go there, me say to her, say, why you cut up the chicken so? She start raise her voice for me. So I'm left with this. So me ask her, say, why you cut up the carrot and something them like that? He ma cut his sweet pepper like he want cut off his finger. So I say to her, say, you go cut off your finger, be careful how you cut it something. Me not like you. Me not like you. And I saw she a go on something. And I cuss and I go along with her antics out
Alright,
there.
say no more. Shanice! Shanice!
Yes, mommy.
You know, hear me I call you. Come here.
Yeah.
Stand up yourself. Why you not have no manners to her?
Oh, America.
Who you call America? Auntie America!
America, mommy.
You know what say? She even tell me if you go ask my mother.
What? No, sir.
If you go do wawa with my mother.
Look here. Let me tell you something, you know. You know if you not play with me, you know, little girl.
Whenever you made her play with mommy.
Look all, I never me a play with. Look all long your papa run left you. And I me one day I struggle with you. I know my sister come here so. And I go and help out. And you know no manners. You have to have manners. Have manners. Have manners. Have manners, man. Come here. Turn up yourself. Come up yourself. Look for her. Apologize. What you say?
I'm sorry, America.
Hi!
Yes, America again.
She gonna kill me.
America.
Come on, man. You know not many manners.
Me know say I know some my mother grow you. If I did ever when we look at we call we auntie by their name. We mother keep we down power back. Me no know where you grow, you know. Me no know where you grow. But trust me, me go wash me and fry, you know.
You know see me alone.
So me not help you.
You just come in at the picture, sis. And me alone I do this. If he have one father, if she have one father figure in her life, she would want move so. Because when his father say room, he have to walk faster than 10. You know what I mean? Man.
If I like you get a stepfather or something.
Who is stepfather? Who you chat? Me no want a stepfather around me pitney.
Well, I go back to her father. That's simple.
Me no want a stepfather around me girl pitney.
Because if I not put her in a lane, you know, me sorry for you know, look after the scene, they kick you down in your own house.
Kick down who? You're sick. The blood is not against you. Go on.
The blood is
Go on.
against you. Walk on.
No, pitney can't kick me down.
You got me
I
down.
lie you a tell. You go breathe and get one to kick on your nastiness.
Daughter,
Pop, daddy.
I want you to look so.
Auntie America in there tell mommy pray like palm.
What do you mean tell lie upon you?
Me did
So
that about fi cook and she a tell me like so she want tell me what to do. And me a tell her she a teach me what to do already. And then she tell mommy like say me tell her about her mother.
Alright, say me if you tell me say. America in your house right now?
Yeah.
No why fear mother just a low chi. And a good smarty, you know, and you know that even though you're blood, but in a good
Me
smarty
like
that.
her. She
Don't
bad
fuck-
mind.
Don't yam for her, no.
Nah, eat for now.
Cause you know she stay already. But your mother did it?
Yeah.
Why am I tell them I don't understand why they keep on treating them weird. You understand? They vex with you because you look like a me and then I treat her bad. And a beat a while ago.
Yeah, she beat me.
Your mother beat you?
She beat me and run me out.
Beat her what, with her hand?
Yeah. She not go take up them.
And she cut you too?
Yeah.
That is.
Pinky! Me a go now.
Psalms 33 and 34. Sprinkle. You've chose some psalms after them.
Sprinkle.
Yeah,
Oh,
man.
she gone. Hey, God. What could have caused this? It come like a beer crosses and follow me way today.
Go on, go on.
Later, daddy.
All right, my
Daddy.
daughter. All right.
Yeah, daddy, you know daddy? Nonsense. Hello, no, we are just cheering on me alpha. Why you the just cheering on me alpha?
I'm still a pay rent, yes, sir. When last you spend $1 on this aboard here?
No, says who?
What you mean says who?
who?
Eh? Says me!
Says who?
Says me!
When you parent us up?
What you mean say when me pay rent, yes, sir? Oh, yeah, deny me money now. So when money come to you, just zoop.
Junker, when you parent us up?
Junker, you know, Junker. Hey, I'm tell you this. Reason I come here, for make you know, say, me going to take a little time off for myself now. See? I don't want you to pressure me. Because I know say you have one style. For any new job me get, you arrive there and I show up yourself and I go on like say, me and you there. Me and you left, so understand say me and move on to a different environment. You understand me? I say, woman?
So what on it? Let me care about you.
Me not say that, me just try to put up on your P's and
So
Q's.
how are you try to tell me something? I hold it down.
Yes,
You're
basically,
bright.
basically.
You
Yo, since the moment me left the house, you know, me is I best thing ever happened to me, you know. Me glad to see you do what you do, you know. And show me say you is not a good woman.
Me glad me do what me do for you.
What you mean say? Me I
That's
will.
a long time why you feel left.
Alright, next thing is this. Me no want you beat my daughter.
What you just say?
Me no want you put your dirty hand for my daughter.
And you go take up your dirty self and come out of my yard. Come out of my yard, cause me not like you.
You think say me like you? You think say me like to see you? Reason me come off to tell you the
I think
information.
you think.
Yeah, worry yourself. Say,
I think.
Say anything you want to say, you know.
Eh?
My daughter, me love you here.
Your daughter, I love you. When
And
last I
stop
give
me
her
that
money?
Let me say when last me give her money.
When last I give her money?
Every time she go to school, me give her lunch money. When you give her $500 for pay her fare for reach at school, and me give her money. That the canteen now, me go and give them money for make sure she can eat food. And me, you don't know what she name, not true. What do you think she name?
You
You need to stop, put
You
your
don't
hand
chat.
on her.
Yeah.
Stop, put your
Me
dirty
say
hand
if
on
you
her.
don't chat, come like come slap you in your face too.
You see
Come
you?
out of my yard.
You see you? You get what you deserve, you. Remember me tell you that,
Put
here?
that lightning down for you.
For me.
Come out of my yard crosses.
Do not show up at my workplace.
Man, you do with your finger, you know.
Do not
Oh, I'm to the answer on my
show
man,
up
yeah.
at my workplace.
You know, say you're mad, you're stuck, you come out of my yard.
You remember say me want you know? Remember say me want you know?
Go on.
No, go on.
Nobody know want to show up for you there. Because you're hold down.
Do not, I repeat,
Come
show
out of my yard.
Manda girl, me like you sit down over there. It's like you know me a come. Move your foot now, your foot them dirty so. Sure. What happened?
So why you come to me so strong? Oh no, sir.
I'm a strong girl, I happy me happy.
I could have what you happy about.
Can me start imagine things like you. Last time, imagine one little man.
Alright, talk.
You know, so when you imagine a little bald man, what there, me never bad mind, you cuss, you know. So me imagine me little white nasty man now. Alright. Imagine say me have one little 50-year-old white man. Bank account fat, you know. And me and him dead today and tomorrow he dead. Me just get everything. How you make your imagination then come to reality, girl?
Me never come to you and tell us my imagination come to reality yet.
See, you know no little remedy. So I just play your hopes and dreams
You
out.
want to go up there, man?
One day, yeah?
Oh.
You know none.
Yeah. Don't worry yourself. I drop my million no none. Girl, just me have double my hand in that obia. No do that. I was just joking.
Girl, if you carry me right now, I'm give at least 2,000. What are the money? 2,000 not Jamaica money, girl. US. To me happy girl. Happy girl. You see me a top come to you. You find a new friend, you know.
I lie. Yeah, go fight.
You know, smile like you're not happy for me. What day you when you show me how the man drop him on your face?
Me never dropped him in your face, but anyways,
I come to tell you, say, father, come check me. But you know, my mother ever cuss, whatever. She don't like my father, and she seems like she don't like me because I look like my dead stamp pupa girl. Me feel like I want to live with my father.
So yeah, General, I can show you, man. The more time we take, if you've done your work, I less money we end up making, you know. Alright, come and show you. You see, if we go to boom, I will stay so boom. Remember, I say, alright, the work come to 300,000 now. And we done it in a one day. The whole 300,000 drop out in our pocket. And we get one like a 1 day fare and 1 day lunch out of it. But if we make it take away all a month, you know, much fare and lunch come out of it. A speed we are done it on. You see me? All you want you do, make sure you say, yo man, you know what part we are working on.
Brother, yo, tap
We can't take it jam in so we lose the last project, my youth. The people them run way off our place, brother. Our money they did it for make it. She don't know say you're there, so
mad, brother.
keep it that way there.
Listen, I go check her, bro, and I talk to her, and tell her, I say, yo, the depend on work, I don't want to embarrass me. I talk to her. So if she feel like, say, me, I go want to see her, when so she a mad smarty, brother.
Alright. Because you see what happened, one day if you realize what happened.
Me,
You know what I say, me carry up on the work and show you, me end up lose my work to run there.
That one going?
Then if they fire it 2 away. And I feel your woman make them fire it 2 away. No you, not for your woman and you cause me if you lose my work. I don't do nothing. I just see bagger.
You're not worried about that, man. I must say, I talk to her already and she not in no vibe because she loud and she love create drama and so forth. But at the end of the day, I nah tell her say she not come so. She will never find
Level then.
Level, brother.
That more
I'm
money
to thank you, bro, because
man.
based on everything, I really appreciate
Speaking
everything.
of the devil, you know.
You speak of which devil? Which devil?
Look out. Straight round, man.
Jesus. Yo, listen to me, I say.
Public, you're not easy at all, man. I can't believe you, man. I lose the one, we lose the next
No,
one.
you have must pass.
Yeah, look how long we sit down before we get back on work.
Brother,
Just go and go deal with that. I can't manage.
yo,
Go deal
brother,
with that
as a pasha, she nothing, brother. See? Hold on.
She come to you.
Yo, me talk, me talk. Respect, here. Respect,
Me no bother
man.
think me I go on you come out.
No, you don't say that, man. Don't say that.
No one can match up.
No. Yo, alright,
Tell
here.
me buy you a drink.
No, here. No, go on. We talk. Just go on, man.
Alright,
Yo, me
just
so
link
forward.
me.
Yeah.
Call me then.
Yeah.
Call me. Alright, my friend.
We mean later. What you do ya?
Hold on there.
What you do ya? Eh?
So you say I would know. You say you're working at
No, me not work as so. Me not work as so. So what you doing as so?
Listen to me. Right now, you see that big bag here? I some clothes me just got
Me no business where you eat. Why what?
I some clothes me just got trust.
And what that supposed to
I
mean?
want a money for pay for hit.
No, something wrong with you. Me and you left. Me and you not there. We not involved.
Hey.
Hello, don't touch
Hey,
me.
listen
Don't
now,
touch me now.
listen,
Don't touch
listen,
me now.
listen,
Yo, me no want fight and bite in the neck, you know. Don't touch me.
You see when you touch me first?
Me not touch you, me just swing you because when you look at my face and get and no understand what.
No, shut up your mouth.
Me shut up my mouth.
Shut up. You see when they go in at this year, even though I know you wanna go there now.
Me no business.
Listen up.
Me no business with that. Me no want to listen.
Whosoever I go here say no come out there for them, you know.
So
But
that.
some come out and hit for you. So talk to me good. Me want the money.
Hello, me no response for you. You married to me?
No, you're sick. Come here. You're sick. Come over so.
This me can't bother with you know.
Listen, you're sick.
A jail me go again?
You know sense.
Look at me.
You know sense.
Let me go.
Go who I go make you one box.
Give one box. You laugh if you see a joke business. Let go me.
If what can they again say what me to you?
Help!
Talk about for help, man.
You listen.
Yeah, girl.
Tell me some, girl.
Me say me want some money now.
Last time me nearly boxed down. You came to jail, you know. Let go me.
No, that's a nearly.
Let go me.
Hey, if you ever bite
Let go me.
Yo, one box you get out of today, I have said.
Why you do this to me?
Me say, give me the money now, me want some money.
Me not get no pay yet. Don't forget pay and the week not done yet. You have sense. Don't touch me. Don't touch. Something wrong with you.
Move on. Me I go seize this then.
Yo, me not understand why is it that it's like I bring you and bring me down.
Me I go seize
bring you,
the
bring you
phone.
down.
No,
Come on,
listen
keep the
up.
phone, keep the
Me I go
phone.
seize the
Yeah,
phone
seize
if
it.
you can't give me no money. So what I go on now?
What is? How much is it? What is?
How this?
Let me say what that. I'm happy for me right now.
A 200, so you take me for 200, girl. You take me for 200, girl. I eat that. You know no sense, eh? A 200, girl, I take me for.
Listen to me.
Eh?
All right.
It cut in your pocket, take you out. The cheese in the other side of your pocket. Give me. Remember your daughter up there. Me just got trust some clothes. Give me your money. I come like I never see head no good yet. When me and the live a house together, you know.
Alright, listen to me.
You never see the real sickness
Alright,
in
listen
my head.
to me. Alright, hear me. Please, me need to work and look at work and stop thinking because me have a work, me have to take care of you. What
Shut
if
up.
me have a woman right now I come meet me or so?
Which woman?
What me say?
With there forever and ever and ever and
Oh,
ever.
the bomb
Get that in your head. We not left.
What is song?
Oh. Lucky.
Listen to me. You have to release me. You have to know say you can't do this.
Release who?
Me I go to station.
Says who?
Me I go to station and get one with restraining order against it if that's the case. Leave me alone.
If you go to station,
Leave
tell
me
them to
alone.
hold me down.
That's the worst thing about it. Even if me go down there, then still not gonna believe me and I lie I tell you.
And I'm going to say me your baby mother. So anything me say, that them I work with. So if you go down there and tell them boy you want a restraining order, them I go laugh off of you. Because you're a man. You think you're a woman?
What you want? Alright, so what you want if you know say me and they together no more? What you want? Me can't take this drama thing. See my bridge just gone and now me can't get this a little work here and see her create nice
What you mean
place.
by what I want you and want the money
You
come?
can't have me you left me you done. You,
Stop, Mr. Stop France, say me
When
you
me
left,
say-
me you no left. Stop France, say so.
so what go on then? I why be then? Eh? I extort because me have a youth with you, you know.
Why starter?
What you mean so what extort me? You come on my
Extort,
workplace.
extort you.
The last time I
Listen to
lose my
me.
work.
I know extort
Yo, me can't.
I have a child for you.
Yes, and
So
so
why
what?
you call it extort?
But me I take care of my child, not true. Me a
say-
pay rent in the yard and you still stress me out. But what?
You didn't even play one father figure in your child life.
Me not pay the father figure in a child life.
She not have no manners. She not have no manners
Because
for nobody.
you not a manners to nobody. You manners to people. You manners to me. You manners to that of your dirty sister when you marry her.
Hey, my how you call me sister?
It means.
You know? Oh, me say,
Yo, don't touch me.
Eh,
You be a laugh, you laugh, you know.
yo. You
Don't
see,
come
you know
at
the
us,
reason
don't
why
come
me a
at us.
laugh?
Let me see.
Because actually you don't even know how much things me see from you a while ago. Amount of things more on there right now. That's why me a laugh.
Take it back and go on.
Eh?
Take it back and go on.
Push back and go on.
Where America?
Eh?
Your slippers again?
Take a push back and ah, sense. So yo, make sure say you come check me Friday and I make me find you. Carry me slippers come. Come back with me slipper. You dirty. I go till me get one.
I walk is the one me turn.
I go till me get one little money off for your car. Them a close it and I trust me trust them. Thanks to 10,000. Dirty thinking Rasta man, I think me want you.
Yeah, man, a simple thing that we can max up the time for you, man.
Boy.
Ah, a joke thing, man. We do
Eh,
it.
Sister, what happened?
I see my sister, I see call her back. Aye. No
Oi.
problem. Yeah.
On my phone now.
No, hey, no come mess up with the bright self, you know.
Anyway,
You can't
sis.
rule anybody, you know, but remember say you can't rule me, you know.
Black chat.
Glad how me see you. Me say, me no know how me so bad lucky if you see fear daughter. Eh? Me ever bad lucky if you see fear picnic and fear at them. Guess how me see your daughter with?
Oh.
Guess now, you can't guess.
Me can't guess that. Me pick it up and guess. What you take me for?
You look a dirty worrying girl, Amanda.
Jesus.
You look they look worrying look a girl there.
Say God no.
You go come and tell lie when me I say God know for God know everything already.
So what Amanda do with them the girl? Why she a walk
what
up?
Amanda do with them the girl there, or where you pick me do with them the girl there.
See me a chat foolish, she say. What Shanice do with them the girl there?
I mean, you ask. I ain't not say nothing to her, no, 'cause I don't want she come
mercy.
disgrace me on the road, you know. So I just walk, I just take through one little bush and go round one next corner. Cause me know the next thing, me go here say, I'm here lazy now, you pick me way.
Me have to go talk to her. Me really have to go sit the little girl down and talk to her.
Talking alone can help for your picnic. Or something else.
Anyways, girl, guess what?
Yeah, laugh and me
I
tell about
just-
your picnic.
She live a house with me. So when me reach in, me can talk to her. Me can sit her down and talk to her.
Every day that I do and nothing now work.
Anyways, girl,
How
I say, me just got just some clothes from down my friend.
Trust
Down
me,
there,
no
so.
one suit, no.
No, listen, no.
No, me nobody want it cause me know the next thing you go say me have to go down there go pay your feet. Okay, time. But when me see them,
No, listen, no. Listen. When you say you nobody want it, fear style mean you still want it. So listen. You see them a clothes now? Me just take them cause she dey lock up a while ago. So me have to go up on my yard. I mean, listen now, what on now? Me have to go up on my yard and try them on. To see what is what can fit me from what can fit me. Cause remember, see, I trust them.
I want belly skin.
You get what me I say? No.
But
Listen,
me hear what you say.
let me show you one of them. You see this? This can't fit you. Them a little something. Them a,
Let me
if
search
you
the
put
bag,
on,
me
listen
find
now, hold on, man. Hold on. Let me not finish talk. You see, if you put on them a something here, and this now is a dress. You see, if you put on this, guess what it turn for you?
Wow.
Blouse.
You not turn no blouse.
Hold on. Go show you something different. Go show you something
So
different.
the jeans, I want shorts.
No, hold on, you just too, don't bother with it tonight. You see this now?
That definitely can't fit me.
This can't fit you, but it's too big. And your hip then too broad. I just strip his clothes. I don't know to show you. Now watch your back, you see your bag so full.
So your bag so full. Let me see now.
Listen now. You have to just stop it in a sis. I don't like a style sometimes.
Stop, give me your bag. Let me see why in your bag.
We can later here.
So girl mean, me no know.
You know what? I don't bother go the way there. I go the way there.
Later.
Watch out. You give nothing to my bag. You love beg too much. That's why I trust them. Saints. I'll cook. Oh. This is my headspace and I forgot to see America cook, you know. Yeah.
What?
What? Shanice. You know some your mother, right?
Yeah?
Cause you know like you know some your mother. Me love her, you know. Me love her so much. But you see the road. When me hear say you go down, you need to stop it. Me know that sometimes me go hard for you and thing, but as a mother, me have to deal with the rough because remember say I me one day I say you know, your father not live with me, you know. And me one day I say so me have to deal with the rough for understand life. You get what me I say?
Yes, mommy.
So, me no want when me talk to you, you come like say, you get worse. You get worse than how you're worse. You get what me I say?
Yes, mommy.
And a girl when name Amanda me here say you walk with. Me no know if she make you feel like you're big. But then if you stop from par with she, you hear me I tell you? Cause if you not stop from par with a girl, you go down one part when I come back. Remember me to tell her that. Alright.
You know, sir, I feel like daddy love me more. I feel like daddy love me more.
So why would I say that? Shanice?
You always they beat me.
So true me beat you. You feel like your father love you more than how me love you.
Cause you not beat me.
No, I know so you go. And because me tell him say enough you put your hand on you know. That's why he can't lick you. But let me tell you something. You see when me beat you for you understand certain things. Because when me talk to you, come like say go through the ears and come back through the other ears. And I how me grew up right now in a life. You see when me this small like you, Shanice, me could back answer my mother much less to go to the road and back answer people. Because as me say, hey, whooping on my mouth, me America. So me beat up for them things like if you have manners, and you little bit of manners right now, the way you have, and your father you get it from. You don't have no manners at all. And then you say me don't have no manners. That's why you feel saying love you more than me. Okay, see that? All the nail hook me up here.
Right. I mean, it's not me a par with Amanda, but she the only person listen to me and I can't tell her anything.
So Shanice, what me there for? Me are the closest somebody to you now.
But yeah, my
come out of the
mother.
womb. Me and your mother, that's why you have to talk to me and tell me everything. Have a bond with me. Who not going to understand? Me is the only somebody who can understand you more than how people will go understand you. Yeah. And let me ask you one question. You have something to tell me?
No.
Huh?
No.
I'm going to ask you again, Shanice. Do you have something to tell me?
I want to live with Daddy.
Huh? You want to live with who?
Daddy.
Okay. So it's like when me talk, come to the ears yeah, and it come back to the ears yeah. Me think that you have sense you know. Put on the food. And let me show you how you live with Daddy. Have sense. What out hand them? Have sense.
But I don't like say me not love you, mommy.
Let shut up and not give me no talk. Your father, you're not gonna live with no father. Your father don't know how to take care of Pitney, and that me say. And that me say, have to get that in your head. Your father don't know how to take care of Pitney. And me know how to take care of Pitney. Me. And me there and I struggle with you. And you come back and tell me about blasted father. What father do for you? Eh?
Give you money.
Go give me money. And I'm mine in the water on the road right now. And be there ready to take him. Let me tell you something.
Say your tongue salt.
Come on for me. Kick you. Come on. About tongue salt. I feel your tongue salt. And you dirty pooper. If you go and live with him for true. Nonsense. My name is photo. Why the door I want so iron door.
Auntie, me no reason why you can't me out there so you know. You left from all the way from over here, can't me out there so. But me no want your feet, me no want when them talk about you feel like a true. And a true matter for. Come here, rumors are spread. Girl, things that in our community, yeah, me people call my name Panny. Or you look for people call it Or. You like when people call it Or. Me retire, you know. You know that. Me retire, so. Me don't really want nobody to talk bad about you. Because when they say you're Or, they call me Or too. And me grow you. So me basically have you. So when they say you're Or, I'm the same thing. And I don't want that. You understand me I try to say to you? My mother understand me I say. So what you plan to do? Think about what you want for yourself. You like when people disrespect. Look at the community. I know a good community we live in. Yeah, I know a good community we live in. Wait, I know a good community we live in. Look where you can come to talk. Pan the roadside. But nobody know.
What happened to your house? You could talk to me in my house.
can't talk to you in the
Oh,
house because people,
so you
you
can't
don't let
go-
people in the house. You want people to know your business.
But you came up on the roadside with
But are we alone there, so?
bush hat ears,
Well, then, nasty.
but never hear.
Just do what I say if you do.
But you say
Left
me
off every word and stop worrying about yourself. Me don't want you to take up the same thing when me used to take up. You understand? And no good something with that. You understand what me actually say to you? As an auntie, you don't want to follow me. Me don't talk to you, no. Me don't talk to you.
Me name not got talk.
And me now go call you back and talk to you about this again. Just do what I say if you do.
And who that come in our lane?
Go on in your yard. Girl, go on in your yard. You have to talk to her. Hello. Me say you a call up my niece name, you know. But she a take man and she a whore and all of that.
I mean, you talk?
Yes, you me a talk to.
Something must be wrong with you. You drink mad piss or something. Eh? You come yourself and talk up. Your niece not worth it too.
I am biggest one in our community. Stop call up her name. Stop call up her name. And you me a talk
You used to
to.
be my trust before your niece come, you know. So you can't chat to me, girl. You come like uptown and downtown mattress. Who you talk to? Me? Back up and relax. No come here so come go on like you can disrespect me and style me. Because I shoot me a chat. I'm back, Brad. You want to come beat me in there or something? Eh?
You see me want to get myself dirty. Because I want to go dirty girl. It's always I come here with my people them.
You mean your man?
That don't have nothing to do with you. That don't have nothing at all to do with you. That don't have nothing to do with you. That me say, just stop call up her name. Because next time I see you, alright, you're not going to like it. I'll get worse than this.
Call it in the mouth.
Leave a little girl alone and stop call up her name. I'm not keep on having to say I was
a... me call up your niece name.
It in our community enough.
Tell you
Enough,
and your
enough.
bangaranga them say fit up call up my name. Come in and mix and mingle. Yeah?
Just stop call up her name. That me can't tell you. Little
Woman,
boring
go and look for
girl.
your man because when 6 o'clock when I left from 8 o'clock you go on next
That
one,
not
and 10
nothing to do
o'clock
with
you
you.
go on
Just make sure
another
say you can keep
So-
one. Just make sure say you can
Go
keep
on now.
one.
Hit the road, Jack.
Drunk crow.
Dog. I'm not even bad go so come I meet her down there and beat her with my slippers.
Where dirty girl?
Martin. If you look so.
Yeah, trade even know you know man.
What
Trade
you
even know.
want to want to?
I trade even know. You know what going up there, sir?
No, tell me now. Like your face look so.
Me one girl just done cause because she a classmate niece on the road. So she a whore and want it for something.
I wish dirty man. How could that classy and style now in a night and make your vibes cut? And look how you figure have ice cream and have a good time and them.
You know.
What go on?
Right now, me just want to come out of the community here. They've got to take me out of this, man. And me can't live in there no more, man. Every cross is just a come down upon people, so.
I must say, me I work on it. I have to take it like community. Because I must say, I want like one room and, you know really conducive like that. You understand?
No business. I could have on the ground we have to sleep. No business. Want to come out here, so, man.
Well, really and truly, like on the ground, me asleep. So, until me get certain things up and running, then me can, organize certain things for me and you. So, babe, you don't like your looks there. Take them people off your mind, man. And about that make them kill your vibes. Because anytime your vibes kill you always just lay down. I mean, I want to lay down business tonight. You understand me? I say, smile, no, man.
Alright, me a hear you.
Okay,
But I want to come out here, so, man.
Yeah, I do start to come out, but we're going to buy some Kentucky. Yeah?
Alright.
Cool.
Very nice.
I don't feel like I don't really want to stay on my yard, but it's just that sometimes look on you. You see look good and everything. When you come across like asleep and girl gonna sleep. Come tell you, say a girl gonna sleep. You understand? I mean, when you broke your back and sit, when you're comfortable. So even though you're there with me and we're there asleep, you don't feel comfortable with your down as with me. You understand?
I don't feel comfortable. I don't want problem if you sleep on the floor with you. Better soon come.
You better come, but more better come where, you know, me make you feel instead of come and you feel struggling or something. You understand me? I say, I'm gonna you tap vex me, man. You look like a vex me, so.
I'm not vex, man.
Hmm?
No vex.
But you look angry. Your friend walk up me and tell you, say, me ready to leave and you don't want to come out of your house like you say, boy, you don't know.
No vex, man.
Hmm?
Tell you what happened.
My daughter. I want where you come from?
I walk. Where you do it so?
Me and my friend talk, man.
Friend.
Yeah,
You know
You mean say me know? Of course me know.
Amanda auntie.
That nothing. Alright, baby, you are going. Later on later then. Here? Because my daughter want to talk to me obviously because you know want to her, she look upset. No, nobody look on her see. Here?
Alright.
I'm my daughter, man. Here? So just call me when I reach down, here? Alright. Come here. I want
Me don't want you to talk up to them female there.
Come on, Tyson.
What you mean?
Come, can't press it. Listen,
Daddy, every day mommy chat bad boy you know, and me try to put the bad things them behind, you know. Cause you me not see as the person there, but you slowly I see as the person there.
Daughter, why you make it sound like say you have a problem with who me talk to? That's just a friend of mine when we are trying.
No, me don't want no stepmother. Me don't want no stepmother.
My daughter, listen.
Cause me and no stepmother no fit dey on the same height. Me don't like that. Secondly, them female don't know what they want, they're confusing.
Alright.
So then they so with you tomorrow, then they so somebody else.
Alright, listen me I say, don't worry about that. Who you really coming on for? Cause you worry about this like this is your problem.
Come with the confidence that I want to come moving with you, but I think me I go moving with you, cause like I want to you see around.
No, don't say that. You know me already know my standards. You understand me I say? Listen, you're upset with her for what I don't know, but
cause me not like her.
alright, listen. Put her aside and let's talk about what we are talking about. My daughter, I don't really want to come stay with me. But guess what? I don't have everything up yet. I must say one room I have.
So put her out.
She not living me right now. You understand? But you're just upset and I don't like how you look and your sound. Mommy, I take care of you? Mommy beat you today or something?
No, I'm sick.
You sick?
Yeah.
What kind of sick?
Cool.
You have cold. I can't hear any advice with you. Listen, man. I don't tell you say you can't stay, but I can't make you leave you. You can't come pass through and maybe can there for you 1 or 2 days because you're my daughter. You know, so I love you genuinely. You understand? I'm not nothing to you, but I not lie, I can't have you here with me like that. Alright? So just don't feel bad and don't have a bad day because of the situation. Yeah. You eat already from morning?
No, nobody want you question me. Cause
Go buy some
you
ice
dey
cream.
tell me say a 1 bedroom and me can't come.
You know say you can't come, but you have
Me no want visit, me want leave.
You want to live. I'm going to talk to your mother about the situation. Because I must something what she had. Well, I know how she stays, so I don't need to ask about that. But me work out something. You hear me, daughter? And nobody stress yourself, man. Buy ice cream. Yeah?
Thanks, later.
Later.
Go check my friend.
Which friend?
Manda.
Come here. You come here. Me I hear one little talking on the street now. That's not a good girl to par with.
I don't tell no one good somebody for there with.
Alright. We talk about the anti part.
We talk about the Manda part after you talk about the anti part. Later, daddy.
Like a strong silver walk with you. Even though we're together, we're totally different persons. I'm walking away from things we always do. Now we need a change.
Every day me come here to find the more month if you have key for you.
Not even morning, you just barging so. Awa.
Me not no morning for tell her right now. Cause imagine me a go my papa you have to tell him say me want movie with him and see your dirty auntie done there.
Back up. Put angle pie talk enough of auntie and this.
Yeah.
I could never my auntie.
I
I'm a
couldn't
matter of
mind
fact.
neither.
What you say? Me not hear what you
Me
say. What
see
you
your
say?
auntie with me pa, I come out of the yard.
My auntie with your pa. Your butterfoot daddy. My auntie know why you're that your father.
So you try to say my father not good enough?
I see you now, I see right.
What you try to say my father not good enough for
Your father a
your
whore.
half a bridge auntie? What
The
you try to say?
daddy a whore. What me auntie a do with the daddy?
Your auntie a half a bridge, so nothing wrong if my father at work.
And then to come on me yard, pa.
No, see me listen to me, you see next time I see your auntie in my yard, I go dash water upon him, you hear?
And
So tell him don't come on my yard.
Oi, hello. Oi. How do this little maga cranny body girl?
Me may be maga, my body may be cranny, but anytime you come on my yard, especially when you come back, because it look like no stove in there, so no stove living on the front, like you don't live inside. Me always the inside.
Abuse.
Me come back in there, you can't do me nothing.
Abuse.
Yeah, test me. Yeah, test me feet, you little girl.
Bye. Don't come back on me yard. No, this not right. Can never yet get this lady a phone. Hello. Auntie, I wish I there. Cause me wake up and I see in my house and I hear something. So I want to know if you're there. Oh, you're there on the road. Oh, so after all of the one, you know, you give me, you still do what you want to do. What you mean by? I want me just here a while ago. I'm here from a good source. Oh, alright. Hurry up and come. Me a wait. Alright. That's not right.
Man,
Oh, go on, bro.
there, man.
Brother,
Hey, right now, you know, as me I say, you know, our next work we have to go deal with, you know. Right,
Right, I
now.
know.
Yeah, but you know, say situation with your woman, you have it under control, you
Yeah,
know.
man, that's under control,
'Cause
bro.
you know, say that a main problem what me I find right now lately, you know, because you see you're the best worker me ever employ, you know.
Really, man, respect,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Respect, man. Highly appreciate
Love how
that.
you work.
Yeah,
And
man.
everywhere me go, people talk how you work neat.
Yeah, man, that
You
is
see
it,
me?
man. I have to do it that
Yeah,
way,
man. So right now, but I want you just control the woman.
Nah, man, she good, bro. Me I tell you,
Yes,
don't
sir,
worry
she
about
good.
the brother. Me talk to her again, and
Yeah.
you know she alright. Cause you know, she pass by, you know, and she end up have to, you know, like see what I go on. So she never know. If she know which part we are going right now,
Yeah.
I must some be a woman or be a man. She go check me. I tell her that straight and plain.
Keep it that way.
Yeah, man, you do that way, man. Ready? So right now.
Ready. Right now,
Alright,
man. We're
alright.
going to measure up here. And see what
Alright.
go.
Yeah, right up.
What, my girlie?
No, what my girl in me?
Oh, yeah, I say. No, what, man?
How on earth you're supposed to be there with what my friend name? Shani.
Calm down.
Alright, let me
We are not
whisper.
cussing. Calm down.
How you be there with Shani's father?
I mean, I'm afraid of Shani's father.
Yeah, it's a question.
A good man. And me plan to change my life.
Oh.
And me find out, say, him better than the rest of them I used to talk to. I'm not the same person who me used to be. So just know that. Yeah.
Well, unfortunately, Shani's not like it. I hit she come over here. Cause she come attack me a while ago. Yes,
Me
but
and
the
him father were there
situation.
standing. Just barging so. Me didn't even like it, little pitney.
You don't like her? Well, she not like you either.
I mean, know that.
And you
Then
know
I
what?
nah go
First of all, me
get
not feel
along.
like she want a stepmother role in her life. Because the way you approach me a while ago, I saw you see him. Me just put up on your guard. You're my auntie. Me can't tell her how to run your life, or your life, and me can't tell her who to talk to. Me just put up on your guard.
Listen to me, little girl. I understand, say, you try to put me on my guard. And you love me and respect me, right? Yeah, I love that. But you see, now this, I don't want you to put your mouth in this. I'm a big woman, I'm going to do anything I want. Okay? Then if you back off, I'm going to do my thing. I know what I do.
You just can't say me never say. I do business with your life. You're my auntie. You're an adult. You must know how you want to live your life. I'm out of your life. Me go live mine.
First, not my business.
Good evening, mommy.
I was so good about the evening. Huh? Where you come from?
But daddy,
Upper where? No, come here, come here. Come here! Shanice, how much time I call you?
one time.
Shanice, me did give you permission for the yard?
You did asleep.
No, Shanice, me did give you permission for the yard?
No, mommy, because you did asleep.
So how comes you left from out of the yard like you a big man? Yeah, hey, Shanice, I know say from when you test me faith. You know say from when you test me faith, look how big you see head big like a papa one. Eh? Why you left yard for me go ask you again?
I go up daddy.
Go do what?
Get ice cream.
Get ice cream. So ice cream alone I get. You not get no money. So you're ice cream girl.
And me see one lady up there, that she could be my stepmother.
Shanice, come look closer. Where is it?
One lady up there, and she could be my stepmother. And
No,
then they
she-
give her money for the ear longer than that, so. Longer than your ear.
I'm gonna over here. Let me show you my ear, Shanice. Shanice, let me show you my ear. Cause any woman your father have, let me show you my ear, Shanice. Any woman your father have can't live this so. Look for my ear.
The longer.
A 40-inch bust down this. Which longer? You
A
must see what.
60-inch bus done daddy
Well,
buy
if
her.
a 60-inch bust done she have, I gonna pull out every strand out her head. You hear me? I tell you. So, no girl can't concept my baby father like I tell. But girl up there and I get all of which money and go be a step. What? Step how you walk, but then I know step woman, me your mother. Or tada. But step, go on the house, go on. Me so come, hey, go buy a burger tonight. Go on, Nina.
Hurry.
Go, yeah, go on in. Go on, me daughter, go on up here.
Later, mommy.
Yeah. Public! Public!
Oh, go on. A long time I don't see you for you left that the man them me can't see again. What's up?
Left who?
See you get nice and
Hold
nice.
on, left who?
You see a Rasta boy them and they look workless one the way and them have an argument, man. Where you say nah give you no money? You know left him?
I work list I call my man.
No, sorry, I never mean it like that.
I work list I really I call my man.
Listen, me, listen. You know me always.
No, listen, but you're foolish, so touch me if you talk, you talk. Alright, now him me I look for.
I mean I look for.
Yes.
So I just seen go check for him employ them and then gone for one piece of work down a seater.
Down away?
Down a seater and me tell the virgin, you see him employ they say work go on around there and me make them get a piece of work. Me I say now. You know, so I always admire. I always say you're nice and pretty. Other day I buy one bicycle, you know. And you may think about me I say I want to wear in a bar.
I mean, I say, I so buy my car too, so I know so when I buy my car, they're going in the front seat, they're there with me with the bicycle.
God. God, if you're not busy, come here.
No.
Let me tell you something.
What?
Me nah go on no bicycle with you. Next thing, when we go on the bicycle, you balance this away, yeah, and me can't carry back this away because you bigger than me, so me can't go balance it back this away. Let me tell you something. Listen to me. No, listen up. No bother with the foolishness, Puppy Dan, because guess what? Me and you would have never, ever there in this a lifetime. You hear me? I tell you, you not get the chance there. You get what me I say? So here we go on now. Listen up. Listen up, everything good man later. And take it out of your head. We can't there, none tall. Never.
Go on, Fry, sir. I'm a broke man, you want. You can rasta man and I gain money, and man we spend money for you. I want to.
Go with a bicycle.
Your man a drive or walk?
I walk foot and I love that. And this a mad no. This mad the girls them. This mad the boys. Never see a girl. Nonsense.
Alright, Professor. So, I think this can take about maybe 1 week, you know?
Yeah, man.
Easy little food, man.
So when they say no pay me though?
As we done, I collect piece of money now, and when we done, we collect yours.
Oh.
Collect 50%.
Yo, so I really somebody one punch out.
Yeah, man, I star, my dear.
Oh,
so
I
yeah,
stand.
we want to take down the whole of them, man. We don't pop in there, so car see run some board around it, bring it up and just roof it off back.
So you make them know so we are charged based on based on the height and sit, not true?
Yeah, man, everything. Height by height.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So the truck will come in with the stuff them?
They're on this already.
They're on this already? Oh. Brother, quick and fast with these, man.
So, this is kind of low, you know, car. This is...
Yeah.
Alright, so 8. Want to go 10.
10? 10 they want to go?
Yeah, man. She said she want a ceiling fan in there.
Brother, I thank you for you. You see them work, bro, I tell you.
Yeah.
You have to worry yourself. And we can bring back the tools them good time, because if we rent the tools them, short of having a better food, we can save some money. Not true?
I tell you, so 1 week we want to take done it. So what we are going to do, we are make somebody go and full up in there, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and we go and deal with the measurement them.
So them think if you move out, you know, brother.
Yeah, man, them move out in the idea, yeah, man. The youth them depend on their way.
Alright.
So we just demolish all right.
All right, and
catch you back.
And get you out. Yeah.
Hello. I beg you put that there. Come now, me no want no more cut me nice good old skin. Put that there.
No, come here, sir. Yo, bro,
Brother, same thing me I tell you about, brother. Same thing me I tell you about,
Where you coming to come? Where you coming to come?
Better you go on in.
Listen to me.
Watch
your mouth.
Better you just go. Go on, brother. Freshness. Go waste up the whole of the time. The whole of the time I go waste up again. Same thing all
that's
over,
that's 1 minute.
Yeah.
1 minute, yeah.
What you do, man?
Yo, man, why you touch me now? Oh. Me want money, I'm here, so you have woman up at the yard. So I want.
What you want me to turn? Workless? Eh? You want me to turn? See there, now I can back and walk now. Where you going? What you want from me? Eh?
Why woman we have here yard?
Nobody with no woman business. You're not supposed to even ask me that. You come ask about woman, me there? Me not things? Answer my question.
Why woman we have here yard?
You're so abusive, I say me can't.
Who are the woman we have here yard?
I want perfect woman. What is perfect for me? And she says,
yeah,
yo,
which perfect? Which perfect?
What do you mean say which perfect? Yo!
Which perfect? Come here.
Yo! Yo! Yo, what do you mean say which perfect?
Yo.
Yo, what I know?
Me no want to see you so again, but
Come like a girl on my turn workless.
You can't have no other girl.
What mean some can't have no other girl? Go on where? Go on where?
Public and people place with them, brother.
You're the girl, you're like a girl on my
Easy now, brother.
Yo, they'll get restraining order against you. They'll get a restraining order against you. Yo, look come on.
Come on out.
Shanice.
Burger King move, mommy.
Eh?
Burger King move.
Let me tell you something. I don't know burger time, cause right now burger leave with on my mind. You see burger me promise so? Make that stay till tomorrow. You see right now? Me heated. Where you say go on? Tell me where you say you see up your father yard?
And that's wake me up for.
Shanice, listen to me you know. Watch your mouth, you know.
Mommy.
Show something you talk.
Mommy, he up there with Manda auntie. The same little girl you know I'm married for your auntie.
You know what? Go sleep. No worry yourself.
So I can't come with you.
You want to come? You want to come? Come on.
No, nobody want to come.
You don't want to come?
Later.
Achoo.
Just stay.
PG-13. Stay where you're there. Show them something. Because they might take the thing.
Daddy's girl. One day at a time. My baby girl, I apologize for the way I feel inside.
Oh.
God knows you're always
Mama, honey.
on my mind.
Listen to me, I know why you vexed about yesterday, you know. You just like you know uncomfortable. Are you make me up here, you know? Because they say, you know, more will sleep on bed. You look so nervous, I want you.
I'm not nervous.
Yeah, but you look nervous, man.
I'm not nervous.
You vexed me about what going on with you today? Make sure, you know. I'm sorry about my daughter. My daughter, alright, man. I go talk to her and we get one better understanding of this thing. Because if you say you want me, I have to make sure so your sister me want you too. You understand me? I say?
Yeah.
Look at me and talk to me, babe. It's like you look like you think about something. What you think about?
I don't think about nothing.
But if you look at me and talk to me, man. I love looking in beautiful eyes, you know. I love hearing everything about you. I don't know, it just make me day. So you say? We are push it further. Me's a stable. Hey, me tell you something. So me have my woman. Want she know say I'm me one. You understand me? I say I'm one. She know say I just me and you are roll straight through. Stop look like you think about something. You agree with me?
Yeah, me agree. It's just that seems like your daughter don't want it to always talk, so
Me say don't worry about my daughter.
I mean no worry about her.
She alright, man. She just jealous. Cause I say no. Think about it. You don't want to know, say, boy, you couldn't have one mother and father together. And it can't work. And it's because of that person. So she'll blame in one sense. But it's not your fault. Her mother is a dirty rat. And me have to just get rid of your mother. So that's that. So me don't feel like say she don't blame her now. She will get over it, man. In due time she will understand what's going on. You understand? See there her mother call me, but me not answer. Me don't know what I call me for. You understand? How you want to talk to her?
No man, that good.
Listen, me not have, alright, if he code on my phone, I'll tell him I code on my phone. Someone I know say everything is transparent. Me and you, straight through. You get me, babe?
Nah, yeah, say man.
Me know you hear me because you're deaf. But you understand what I say?
Yeah, me I understand.
Make sure.
long me I look for you? Yo, let her go. Let her go!
How is she?
What you mean by how me? I'm telling you something tough in your mouth, girl. Yo! You get it?
Long time.
Ah.
Listen to me. Me don't know what you do ya, babe. I'm a daughter, mother that, see? But me and she not in a nothing. You hear me, babe? Listen to me now, I understand me so seriously. Me and she not in a nothing. Me don't understand me come with gun. What you come with gun for? What you try tell me say?
So hold on there. Yo, lock chat enough.
When me say lock chat, what you
Lock
do?
chat.
What about what you do ya?
Lock chat. You chat too much now.
Alright, babe.
So, are this a plan for do me?
But me say this my plan for do you.
Me say if I this your plan for do me.
Me you left. Me
Hey boy.
Me talk.
Which one of them I want?
Me say which one?
You want the machine or you want the gun? Which one of them I want? Shut up, let me chat. If me can't get you, no girl can get you. I don't know, ask me, I ask you. Tell me, I tell you.
Alright, make sure go on me talk.
So this a girl aside of you, if you ever open the mouth and say a little girl, put on this and show you say, I know you're going to make my body here.
Make sure go on me
Oi.
talk. I make sure go on later.
Go away. Go away. Go away.
Let me say go. One thing you gun you come for. Where you come to get me life?
You see if I know one thing, me shut up.
Let me say gun shot me.
Yo,
easy.
you see if I know one thing, me shut you.
Let me
Because me love you.
What say you love me? You come with gun.
Would have shot this a girl 100 times right now. What you do, you sound me baby father?
I'm a woman, this sir.
Are you what? Are you what? You come to see a joke, you don't take this big fight. Are you what? What you say, what? You want to say it again? Say it again.
Yeah, me not say it again. No, stop now.
No, say it again. You see. Are you what this?
No say nothing. That's all I'm saying.
Shut! Are you what this?
Mom, Theo. Mom, I just say you take your plan until death. Come on, man. That's easy, no?
What's your name, girl?
What me say what's your name? No, that's easy, no? Alright, Pinky. Alright, talk to me.
If you're
Talk to me.
no, move!
Talk to me.
What's your name? We need to know everything about you. What's your name?
Yo, easy, no?
What kind of obla this?
No, I can't call you. I call my phone to beg me no food. You know run me out your yard. You me tell you say a little worrying auntie want me pa. No, me not no food for you if me did even have none of the correct price me I put in it and can't come give you. You run me from your yard. I know you come beg me food. No, me not no food. So you call my phone for. Mommy?
Shanice,
Yes, mommy.
here I go now. I have to go left ya. If it's on time, why you look at me like that?
Come here and hear where you go.
No, listen. You don't know where me I go. I go left ya. Throw no. It don't really matter. But here I go now. I go make money reach to you. I go send money to Auntie Marika.
No.
Shut up! And listen. I go send money to Auntie Marika and she give it to you and look after you. Understand? You hear me say?
But me can't look after myself, mommy.
Look after yourself. Look after yourself. Listen to me. Hug me up. Love you here?
Yeah, me love it too.
Yeah, so me call you. Here? You know about change, me call you. Don't give no trouble of manners.
Sure. Don't come back. Cause me never want to live with you in the first place.
Me forgot something. What? Father? Yeah, man.
What you forgot?
You can't live with him here.
Sure.
Yeah, man, I can't live with him.
So how you forgot?
Sit down, I forgot. Turn with
Oh,
him
you
here.
care everything.
Turn with him as long as I want. Just know something I'm going to send 1 liter money for you.
Wally.
Wally.
Alright, go on. They never tell a lie when they say ask Father God for it and it shall be given. One cross is out of my life, Anti-American X.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Daddy's girl, one day at a time. My baby girl, I apologize for the way I feel inside. God knows you're always on my mind. Sometimes I feel I'm going crazy, but when I think of you, I see your smile. Am I the only one to light a cigarette? Am I the only one to take a drink? Am I the only one to hurt this way? Yes, I'll take it, I'll take it. They say what doesn't heal you only makes you stronger. Stronger. Why it's taking so long? I'm sitting here waiting.